Hey, welcome back to the Gun Show. Today, we're delving into a hot topic, ghost guns. These homemade firearms without serial numbers are causing quite a stir. In this video, we'll break down what they are, how they're made, the legal aspects, their impact on society, and why they're sparking debates. What are ghost guns? Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly are ghost guns? They're DIY guns, no serial numbers, no official records. Essentially untraceable firearms. How are ghost guns made? Wondering how people make them? Well, they use kits, 3D printers, or even build them from scratch. These methods may sound complex, but thanks to modern technology, it is a lot easier than it should be. Legal aspects of ghost guns now, let's talk about the law. The rules about ghost guns can vary a lot. Some places are cool with you building your own gun for personal use, but selling or sharing them might get you in trouble. Be sure to know your local regulations. Implications on society. Why should you care about ghost guns? They can be used in crimes, making it tough for law enforcement to track them down. That's a real problem. Now, let's dive into the debate. Some folks say ghost guns protect their privacy and Second Amendment rights. Others argue they're a safety risk because of the lack of regulation. In a nutshell, ghost guns are homemade, untraceable firearms that are sparking a lot of discussions. It's crucial to stay informed about the laws in your area and be part of the ongoing conversation. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to The Gun Show for more in-depth info. See you in our next video.